Hi everybody, it's DollarTreeTricia, and I am here with a tutorial on how you will take ordinary items from the dollar store and make some cute blocks that look like wood, but they're really made out of foam dice. So for this tutorial, you need 2 of the foam dice. It doesn't matter what color. They come in green, orange, and red, I believe. I used orange, but you can use whatever you want. You're also going to need, from the dollar store, a foam brush, and I just happened to buy the whole pack. You are going to need Waverly chalk paint that actually I got from Walmart, and I want to say it was like $4 and some change. Okay, then how I did my letters on mine is I used my Cricut, and I used this cartridge, Kate's ABCs, and used their alphabet, and the size for the block that I did was 1 3/4. Okay, and you're going to need a spatula to get the letters off of your Cricut mat. This was an extra piece of vinyl that I had, so this is what I have used. Okay. Okay, for time purposes, I have already painted them because you are going to need, I had to do 2 coats, thick coats over the dice to cover my, the color and the dots, to make it look like a wooden block. Okay, so I've already done that. Okay, and I want mine letters to be here, and you'll have to check the dice because see, like that dice is taller than that. It's not a big deal, it just is something that you need to be aware of. There, I'll do it like that. Let's see. Yep, okay, that looks good. So I'm going to put these over here for a minute, and now I'm going to take my vinyl. Oops, I need to get the piece off of here, and you're going to pull it off carefully. The technical term is called weeding, W-E-E-D-I-N-G, because you're weeding it through. Okay, and then we're going to throw that away. It's very sticky. And I'm going to take my first letter, my H. See, the spatula helps you to get it off of the paper. Okay. And I'll just put my block right here. And then what you do, what I do, you know me, gotta have some cute tweezers. And I am going to try and find the middle of this. Okay, and that looks good to me. Push it down. We'll get the O going here. That looks good. Get my M. That M is testy. Okay. Oh. That didn't go on, but it's not a big deal. It's just vinyl. This side hadn't stuck all the way down. All we have to do is peel it carefully up. There you go. See, it's fun. All right, try it again. Grab hold of it here. There we go, perfect. Okay, then grab my E here. Okay, maybe. There we go. Oops. Takes me a minute till I can get it where I want it to be. And there we go. What you could do if you wanted to, you could put some black ink on here. Just take a baby wipe or a paintbrush and just go around it. I like the look of the clean look. So I left mine like that. Now I used vinyl. Other people had tried this poster sticker, but honestly, this M is huge. It's huge. And I had a hard time getting the M. The rest of the letters fit, the H, O, and the E, but the M on this was too big. So that's why I went to the vinyl. So there's my one, and here's my other one. But you don't just have to do home. You could do love. In fact, I might do love on the back side, so you can flip it over and do love. What else I think is fun is what I'm going to do too is on this one I'm going to put like things for the month that would be the O. Like I'm going to make a heart for Valentine's Day. Let's see, then March, like a shamrock or a pot of gold off of my Cricut. And like an Easter bunny or eggs, things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and happy creating. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.